Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 9, Lesson 3, which is all about practicing multiplication with fractions and mixed numbers. Hopefully by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve a real-world problem by writing a multiplication equation to model the problem. So we're starting with the Step It Out, number 1. It says Laura prepares for an upcoming concert. On Saturday, she practiced flute for 2.5 hours. On Sunday, she practiced one half as long as she practiced on Saturday. How long did she practice on Sunday? Write a multiplication equation to model the problem. Well, we would be having one half as long as 2.5, so we would write one half times 2.5 equals, I'm just going to put S for Saturday or Sunday. Because without doing any more calculations, how do you know whether she practiced more on Saturday or Sunday? Well, as we've talked about, we're multiplying by a fraction less than 1. So that means that it is going to be less than our other product. So it would be less on Sunday. So she practiced more on Saturday. So we're going to put Saturday. Because one half is less than 1. So the product will be less than 2.5. Let's rewrite your equation in part A so the mixed number is renamed as a fraction greater than 1. Then solve the equation. So we're going to make 2.5 an improper fraction because the 1/2 can stay the same. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. That equals S, but then when we solve it, 1 times 5 is 5, and 2 times 2 is 4. We can simplify that. 4 goes into 5 one time with 1 left over. This is how long did Laura practice on Sunday? Well, 1 1/4 hours. So Nick makes a paper mache black chin sparrow for science class. An actual black chin sparrow is 5 3/4 inches long. He makes a sparrow 2 times the size. What is the length of a sparrow? Write a multiplication equation to model the problem. We're going to do 2 times 5 3/4 equals sparrow. Rewrite your equation in part A so that the whole number and mixed number are renamed as fractions. So we always put our whole number over 1. So we're going to do 2 over 1 times. Then we make it an improper fraction. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23 over 4. That's going to be S. And then we solve our equation. So 2 times 23 is 46. 1 times 4 is 4. So the length of Nick's black chin sparrow is 46 fourths. Or, let's be inches. Or 4 goes into 44 11 times with 2 left over. So that is all for today's lesson. I hope that you are now able to solve real world problems by writing a multiplication equation to model the problem. And remember that in order to be a person, all you have to do is be a person and do math.